back to my channel. Affy Elizabeth here, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a sponsored video by a company called Trendy Tresses Crochet. Okay, did I say the word right? Trendy Tresses Crochet. Trendy Tresses Crochet. Anyway, it's sponsored by this company, and they sent me crochets like, we're not gonna say when, but this summer has been a very interesting summer. So yes, they sent me 5 packs of Nubian Curls. This is the color 4/16 inch. I'm looking down to make sure I got my facts right. And good thing about this video right here is going to be a giveaway. So if this is your first time on my page, make sure you like, subscribe. Please hit the bell to be notified when I post a video, because a lot of people just subscribe but they don't hit the bell. Please, please. I'm not annoying, I promise. I'll come in and inform you whatever you need to be informed about, okay? Don't hurt my feelings and not press the bell. I'm jumping off topics, but it's sensitive. But if you like this video, make sure you stay tuned. Yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the giveaway. I'm not gonna talk a lot, I'm just gonna get into the video, so let's get started.
So hey guys, this is how the hair looks like. The curls are really well defined. My color for the hair was a 4 because when I first got the email and told me to pick out the type of hair I wanted to review, I was going to get 1B, and I realized that they didn't have 1B, and they told me that they sold out of 1B. So I went for the darkest color because I don't wear colors anymore. So the darkest color was a 4. So yeah, it was near 1B. So yeah, one thing I did notice about this hair was the curls are well defined. Okay, the curls are very well defined. But when I was doing my crochets, I noticed that if I was to compare this hair with other crochets that I've worked with in the previous videos, this hair tangles when you working with it. It tangles, which is what I'm doing now. Like, perfect example. It tangles and it stretches very badly. If you watch some of my crochets videos, you know that this is how I separate my hair. And when I was separating this hair, I noticed that I was just making the hair a lot worse than what it came out looking when I first took it out the bag. So it was just to the point where, like, I was just wasting a lot of hair when I was trying to part the hair for me to use the hair. Honestly, I've learned that not all crochets are the same texture wise. And this hair proved that not all crochets are the same. The hair was really nice. I like how defined the curls were because the curls kind of look natural. At some point I was getting frustrated because the hair does tangle when you're working with it, and I felt like I was losing a lot of hair before crocheting the hair on my head because of the tangle. Like, compared to other crochets that I've used, when I separate my hair, it doesn't give me as much problems as this hair gave me. I lost a lot of hair that I could have used on my head just by separating the hair. But overall, if I could rate this hair from a 1 to 10, I would say this hair will probably be an 8. Shoot, this hair is an 8 because of the color. Like, I was really worried when she sent me a 4 because I didn't want my hair to look brown. So the fact that the color itself was beautiful and it looked very natural, I liked it. The definition of the curls was beautiful. Although it did shed when I was working with it, it came out looking pretty nice. So yeah, if you are a newbie when it comes to crochet, I will say prepare for the wrestling. If you do get on the website and they are out of stock with the color 1B, I would say the closest to 1B is 4 because that's the color that they sent me was 4, and it was really close to dark, and I really like it. Like, it looked exactly like 1B. Of course, when you walk outside and the sun hits it, it's gonna look brown, but if you're like me, you're colorblind, that's the closest to 1B that they can offer you. I did lose a lot, and there was more than just that on the ground. The shedding was a big disappointment, but we got through it, okay? Because when I was, you know, stretching out the hair and trying to crochet it on my head, I was wasting a lot of hair just by the tangles. But this answer right here is for those of y'all who like to skip through videos and then you miss out on your answer because you skipped through the video. Okay, if you ask me this question and you figure out, oh, why did she didn't answer? She doesn't even have that many comments underneath the video. She should have seen it. I know she's seen it. That's because I answered the question in my video. Stop skipping through it. You get your answer. For the pack, okay, I used 5 out of 6 packs. They sent me 6 packs and I used 5 out of 6 packs. I'm gonna say it again. I used 5 out of 6 packs. Okay, if you have thicker hair, I highly recommend you to order at least 3 more packs because certain type of crochets are not as thick than other crochets. I mean, with this crochet, I felt like it was a lot thicker. There's just some crochets are not as full. With me, I like to order 3 extra packs when I'm ordering hair, especially crochets. As far as the hair is beautiful. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video and inform you guys on the hair and the giveaway pretty soon. So with the hair, well, this is the final look. I cut it because I didn't like how big it was. Big curly hair for me is not good for my round face, so I like to like make the curls define. I don't know how to say it, but I just didn't like how it made my face look like an apple with a bunch of curls on it. As far as the color is a 4. The color is a 4. And it does look like a 2 because it's like not too brown and it looks natural in my opinion. I was afraid that I was going to look a little bit too brown because my hair is not brown. My hair is 1B, which is black and brown mixed together. And it looks just like a 1B in my opinion. I think it looks nice. One thing I did have problems with when I was doing this crochet was the shedding. The tingling was ridiculous. Like if you guys watched the video, you saw how bad of a fight I was. Like when I tell y'all I lost this much hair just doing this crochet. This is like a whole pack. This could fit half of my head. Like the shedding, the tingling was just unbearable. This is actually the first hair that I've used that it was just giving me a whole bunch of trouble. I was getting hot, I was sweating, but the outcome, it made up for it. It's cute. So with the giveaway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the information down below, but I am gonna tell you guys on video as well, or in video, on video, n'importe quoi, for you guys to win this hair. I think I'm only gonna pick one winner. I think it's one winner only. The company is sponsoring the hair, so I'm guessing it's only one winner. If I'm wrong, make sure you follow the information. Make sure you follow up with the information in my Instagram. And with that being said, what you have to do is, 1, I'm going to post a cute picture of myself with this hair, okay? And I want you to repost. Follow me on Instagram, okay? Hashtag Afy Elizabeth giveaway. And see if you win. It's going to be one winner. If I'm wrong, my information will be correct
when I post my selfie. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe. I'll leave the information on the hair. This hair is a Nubian Curl, 16 inch, and I cut it down to probably 12 inch. If you stretch it out, it'll be like right here. I don't know, possibly right here. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.